Hello, Busianfo, Mr. Mawakwababium, and welcome to the part 1.3. In the previous part, you see how to select services to provide. And I'm because someone short 10 to 15 services you are highly interested in down. In this part 1.3, we'll look at how to validate all these services. So they bet to me choose one from this list, from all your service lists now, watch roll down to provide. With my validating criteria, this is what I normally do. I look for services they've got high search volume, but with low competition. And I use tools like Google Trends and Google Ads keyword research tool and ubersuggest to do this keyword research. Make sure I'm in just a second. And I'm looking for keywords that have got high search volume, keywords with low competition. Then I also make sure say with that keyword I'm highly interested in. And if the keyword is got high search volume on Google and a competition of people competing for that keyword is lower, I again have to make sure say I'm highly interested in that particular service. And also it's easy to sell before I make my decision. Okay, before I make my decision. How do I select these keywords? I use Google Trends a lot. When I'm doing any research, Google Trends is my number one go-to. And to send me free Google Trends, again, I revalidate by using ads.google.com. Or ads.google.com, you can use the Google keyword research tool or your Google Ads account to validate this. Make sure in just a second. In case you need Google Ads account, you can also use ubersuggest, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you. Without talking too much, maybe I'll share my other screen. Then we go into how to use these tools. And to see, the man said we'll go on Google Trends into Google Trends. Just go on Google, not type in Google Trends, okay? And I click also. To use Google Trends, you need your Google account. Yeah, really easy. Senior Bayanti Obahana, there's a search tool. And Tianfan said if we want to provide like a logo design service, and answer my typing logo design, okay? Logo design. Nothing, work search. Google Trends are really easy and a smart tool. I really love it. Into Hana, top one or search it in Australia. Okay, you can select a specific country. So per se or drop servicing business. ABL provider or Ghana and you can choose Ghana, but open worldwide. You country from not select it worldwide. To maybe provide it like a search term, worldwide. Into about logo designer, let me quickly explain this. Graph from 0 to 100. And 0 meaning less people were interested in it, and 100 meaning a lot of people were interested in it. Like people were searching on Google for this keyword, for the keyword logo design. And for this keyword logo design, it's got a lot of interest in the past 12 months. That means a lot of people are interested in this keyword. A lot of people are entering this keyword into Google. The country breakdown as to the sort of country they are really typing this into Google. So I always use Google Trends to validate all the services. Yemfree na fe yanko ABR podcast. The search term podcast. If you're the search term podcast, and so are really high. So the only because podcast is something that popping up. It's like YouTube. A lot of people are creating podcast channels. In the podcast is in the high 75s. So for the past year, podcast has been consistent. A lot of people are looking into this. From August 8, 2021, or to like July ending, which to the friend is saying August 4th. Still is in the highs. As I cut down kakra, but it's still above 75, which is really good. And to the person who say all the 10 to 15 services I watch out on, make sure you search into Google Trend to see if the search volume is high. Is the search volume near higher? Yay. Is the search volume near lower? Then you cancel that from your list. And to make Google Trends, then I use another keyword research tool into called ads.google.com. But with Wayno, you have to make sure, say, you already have a Google Ads account, okay? Yes, a Becker said you should create an account and you have to add your credit or Visa card and send it to me use it to. But meaning, yeah, I already have a Google account, Google Ads account set up. And so I can use the Google keyword tool. And to this my Google Ads account, you know. To mean train and loading. And to me bahana, this is what I do. Okay. And to me share the certain keyword, how many people and how many searches, how many people are searching for a particular keyword. And to validate my services, be back up and I'll click on tools and settings. And to me click on tools and settings, and I'm about keyword planner. So the one I'm click on keyword planner. So and to me click on keyword planner, I click on discover new keywords. And to we are by saying, then again we can type in all the 15 services are while listed down. You can type in the keywords here and again you find the logo design. To logo design no I call search. We are no I call get results. And see we call get results now. I bet sure how many people are searching for the term logo design, but I forgot to do something. And to share top hana Wayno or search it in Australia, I will say a change it called worldwide, okay? Yeah, because our drop service will be targeting worldwide. Into you be Australia no everywhere. Into country Australia no. I just say we have 21 million people. Just delete that, okay? Yeah, cause save. After search all locations. Into about logo designer. Every month, they have 100,000 to 1 million searches. 100,000 to 1 million searches. Again, a high volume, which is good, which means a lot of people are looking into logo design. But another thing I am looking for about competition side now, a competition, like how many people are competing for this keyword. This is related to search engine optimization, SEO. Yeah, but I also look at say competition here high and now medium and now low. Say competition here higher, I would say stay away because it's going to be difficult for people to find your website. But the competition, a medium and low now, you can still compete. It's where logo design, a 100K to 1 million searches a month, and a competition here medium. So I think you can try your best, but again, it's going to be difficult because logo design, most people are providing that service. And try last one, NFT art. Get results. Again, NFT art, you've got 100K to 1 million searches per month. But about competition are really high. So a lot of people are targeting this keyword. And so again, say me, I will stay away from this service. Unless say you have a lot of money to invest in search engine optimization services on your drop servicing website. I hope so you guys get the gist. In case you don't have access and if not registered for Google Ads now, you can use a platform called ubersuggest. Yeah. A free tool, a paid tool, but they allow you to search what they call it 3 times, if that makes sense. Into your bahana, enter a domain name or keyword. Yeah, normally no sign in or better try say or be more signing in to get a paid one, okay, but just cross it off. Cross it off. We want to just use this to validate our services. But Monkai say they only allow you to enter 3 keywords. Into your bahana. Let's type in maybe a logo design, say them here and logo design. English way, then I go search. Yeah, sure. Now I'll say search volume near high. So, but again, we are only searching in the United States. And then change away to all locations. Near search. Into again for logo design, 1 million, what do you call it, searches. Into using these tools, and yet didn't cry. If you don't have Google Ads account, I'll highly recommend you create an account. Really, really easy. You can use your Google Gmail, create an account and just attach your, what do you call it, your Visa or MasterCard. And when you also create ads, as long as what ads set up, you'll be able to use your keyword research tool for free. I hope comment below and I'll be there to help you out. It's Afe, you go through all the services to provide, you selected one best one. Afe, in our part 1.4, we have to look for a service provide that will provide the services that you choose, and that's what I'm going to show you in part 1.4. If you want to contact me, these are my contact details. Feel free to email me, and when I get the time, I will reply you, or one of my team members will get back to you shortly. Don't go anywhere, and I'll see you in part 1.4. See you soon. Bye.